Environmental Impact Investigation by Khoa, Dan, Angela, Ngoc. Aim: to investigate the level of pollution, land, water, air, light, and sound in different places of Ho Chi Minh City. Prediction: the places nearest to the city center on Ho Chi Minh City are likely to be polluted than other places far away from the city center. Organisms are likely to live in natural areas of the city than in more developed areas of the city. Independent variable. Places of investigation. Dependent variable. Amount of rainwater, amount of air pollution and sound pollution, amount of dust on the tracing paper. Controlled variable. Size of tracing paper, amount of drops of universal indicator, amount of rainwater. Method. First, you cut the tracing paper into 3 equal pieces of squares. Then, you measure it with the balance. Here are different rainwater samples coming from different districts in Ho Chi Minh City. District 3, 5, and 2. Measure the light pollution. Measure the sound pollution. Leave the rainwater for a day. Leave the tracing paper for a day. After, you then remeasure the weight of the tracing paper after the day of it being outside. Here we have put the different rainwater samples in different test tubes. We then added 3 drops of universal indicator in each of the test tubes. This is to test if the rainwater is acidic or alkaline. Now green represents the neutral rainwater. The lighter the color is, the more acidic the rainwater is. Results.
As you can see from this graph, Saigon Domain had the less dust collected from tracing paper, and the Vista and Hago had the same amount, whilst District 3 had the most. As you can see from this graph, Saigon Domain had the less sound pollution, whilst Vista had the most. Hago had the second most, and District 3 had the second less.
In conclusion, District 7 is the cleanest in all because it has the lowest pH rate, and District 5 is the dirtiest.
Our pitfall trap was flooded by the rain, so next time we could do it in a sheltered area.
Our dust paper blew where it got wet by the rain, so we could put stones on either side of the paper to anchor it down.
Go!
Biodiversity is the number of organisms found in a region. Biodiversity in Ho Chi Minh City has a huge impact in wildlife and the environment in the area. They are affected by the growing size of Ho Chi Minh City, which pollution increased due to the level of greenhouse gases produced by traffic and industrialized areas.